Voyager 1. Humanity's far-reaching messenger. Voyager 1, the most distant human-made object ever launched, is drifting silently through the endless expanse of space. For over 45 years, it has traveled farther than anyone imagined, leaving behind the familiar warmth of the sun and moving into the cold, dark reaches between the stars. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was designed to study the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond. It was never expected to last this long, yet today, it continues to defy expectations. It is more than a spacecraft, it is a symbol of human curiosity, a testament to our desire to explore the unknown. Recently, after months of silence due to a technical fault, NASA engineers accomplished the nearly impossible. They restored contact with Voyager 1. Now, over 15 billion miles from Earth, it is transmitting again. Its faint whispers carry data from regions of space no human probe has ever explored. This is no ordinary data. Voyager 1 is sending information from the edge of our solar system, a region often called the magnetic highway. Here, the solar wind from the sun collides with the vast interstellar medium, creating a boundary where our sun's influence begins to fade, and the forces of the galaxy take hold. For decades, scientists have speculated about what this region might be like. Now, Voyager 1 is giving us our first real glimpse. These signals reveal how magnetic fields interact, how cosmic radiation moves, and how energy flows between the stars. Every byte of information it sends opens a window into the unknown. Voyager 1's journey has not been easy. Its power source, the radioisotope thermoelectric generator, is slowly losing strength. Many of its systems are over 40 years old. Recently, it switched to a backup communication system that had not been used since 1981. Even with these challenges, NASA detected its faint signal and re-established communication. This is a story of ingenuity, perseverance, and determination. It shows that human technology, when built with care and vision, can survive far longer than we ever expect. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It is proof that we can reach beyond our limits, both physically and imaginatively. The region Voyager 1 is exploring, the magnetic highway, is unlike anything we've encountered before. It marks the transition from the sun's protective bubble, known as the heliosphere, into the wild, uncharted space between stars. Here, charged particles from the sun interact with cosmic rays from distant galaxies. Magnetic fields twist and turn in ways that are still mysterious. By studying these interactions, scientists are learning how our solar system behaves as part of the Milky Way galaxy. They can track how energy moves between stars, how cosmic radiation could affect future spacecraft, and even how the boundaries of our solar system might be defined. Voyager 1 is providing data that could shape space travel for decades to come. Its discoveries could help us build spacecraft capable of traveling further, faster, and safer into the unknown. But Voyager 1 is more than a scientific instrument. It carries a golden record, a time capsule of humanity. On it are greetings in dozens of languages, music from around the world, and images representing life on Earth. As it drifts into interstellar space, Voyager 1 is not just gathering data, it is carrying a message. A reminder that even from a small blue planet, we can reach out to the cosmos. It is a symbol of human imagination, hope, and ambition. One day, if another civilization finds it, they may learn about us through this tiny emissary. Voyager 1 continues to operate far beyond what anyone imagined when it first launched in 1977. It is a testament not only to human engineering but to the enduring spirit of exploration. For more than 4 decades, it has braved the cold, silent depths of space, and every faint signal it sends back to Earth is a bridge, a connection between our small planet and the infinite universe beyond. Each data point it transmits is a piece of a larger puzzle, revealing how the solar system interacts with the galaxy, how cosmic radiation flows, and how magnetic fields twist and dance in ways we are only beginning to understand. Its journey challenges us to think beyond the familiar. What lies past the sun's influence, in the vast voids between stars? What mysteries are hidden in the darkness, where human eyes have never seen and no probe has ever traveled? The very questions Voyager 1 allows us to ask are as important as the answers it may eventually provide. Could this knowledge one day help protect astronauts venturing into deep space, or even reveal phenomena that defy our current understanding of physics? Every measurement, every signal, is a step toward answers that may reshape how we see the universe. Voyager 1 is a reminder that exploration is never just about charts, coordinates, or trajectories. It is about curiosity, imagination, and courage. It is about asking, what if, and daring to journey where few would even think to look. From the deserts, plains, and cities of Earth, humanity reached out and built a tiny vessel capable of traveling farther than any person could ever walk or fly. That story, a story that begins on Earth and extends into the interstellar void, is also a story about who we are as a species. Endlessly curious, endlessly ambitious, and endlessly driven to understand the unknown. As Voyager 1 moves deeper into space, it enters regions no human has ever touched, where the influence of the sun fades and the galaxy's forces grow stronger. Its instruments are quietly measuring cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and streams of particles traveling from distant stars. Each reading may seem small, almost imperceptible, but collectively, they expand our understanding of the universe in ways we could never achieve from Earth alone. Voyager 1 is a pioneer in the truest sense, exploring realms that remain invisible, even to our most powerful telescopes. We do not know what awaits it in the uncharted expanses ahead. Its power supply is slowly diminishing, and one day it may fall silent, leaving only its trajectory as a testament to human ingenuity. But even in silence, Voyager 1's legacy will endure. It is a story of curiosity pushed to the limits of technology, of exploration that refuses to be constrained by distance, time, or expectation. It teaches us that the pursuit of knowledge is not measured in miles traveled but in questions asked, in mysteries explored, and in imagination set free. Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft. It is a messenger sent into the void, carrying with it not only scientific instruments but the hopes, dreams, and creativity of all humanity. The golden record it carries, a collection of music, greetings, and images from Earth, is a time capsule intended for any intelligent life it might encounter in the distant future. In that sense, Voyager 1 is not just exploring space, it is extending our presence, our story, into the cosmos. As it drifts through the darkness between stars, Voyager 1 reminds us that even in the coldest, most desolate reaches of space, human ambition can leave a mark. It teaches us that curiosity is limitless, that discovery is boundless, and that the urge to explore is part of what it means to be human. Each faint signal it transmits is a reminder. There is more to see, more to learn, and more to understand. It encourages us to continue looking up, to keep asking questions, and to never stop reaching for the unknown. The story of Voyager 1 is far from finished. With every mile it travels, it expands not just the boundaries of science but the boundaries of imagination itself. Its journey is ongoing, and as long as its signals reach Earth, it will continue to teach, to inspire, and to remind us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and waiting to be explored. Voyager 1 is not just a spacecraft. It is a beacon, a teacher, and an eternal testament to humanity's desire to understand the cosmos.